Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the customer links block. The customer links block adds links that are commonly used by e-commerce store customers to do things like log in and out and create or manage their account. Let's get started. The customer links we're going to add are going to go next to our search bar here. So as you've seen in other tutorials, the first thing we want to do is select the sector that our block is going to be added to, just like that. Then we click Add Block and select the Customer Links block till we get to the Customer Links block settings. Now the Show Cart Info setting allows you to optionally show the cart info next to the customer links. And the Show Blog Info settings allows you to optionally show a link to your blog next to the customer links. We'll leave those set to yes for now, but we might want to change them later. Go ahead and click Add to add the Customer Links block, and drag the block in the order that you want it to appear in the sector. Just like that. As you can see, our Customer Links block has been added directly next to our search bar here. Now all that's left is the styling of our Customer Links block. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and adjust those settings. Go back to the block settings, and for our purposes we're going to decide not to show the cart info and not show the blog info. As you can see, those links are now gone and it just says log in or create your account. Alright, now you can style the customer links however you want. There we go. Now our customer links have been styled to match our theme. And you can see, if you click on one of the links, it'll take you to the corresponding page on the theme. This is the login page. As you can see, a customer can log in here. And on the Create Account page, a customer can create an account. That allows them to manage all their orders, track orders, things like that. There you have it. You've just seen how easy it is to add customer links to a Warhead site using the Customer Links block. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.